Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Stacker bars. Do you have stacker bars in your stack? These are the Ainslie stacker bars in 100-ounce size. I will talk about the special in just a second. It is for the whole of the next 7 days, for the whole week, so you do have a little bit of time to make up your mind, and I'll tell you what the special deal is in a second. But let's just take a closer look. Why are they called stacker bars? Looks pretty obvious now. You see these grooves right here and on the other side as well, which facilitate, wouldn't you know it, stacking right there. Really economical way to store your silver. Now let's take a close look. Now, out of interest, you've got some protective film here. You can choose to take it off after you buy it if you want, but I will keep it on just for now. You have the logo of Australia right there, a little simple logo of Australia, 100 tray ounces silver, 999, and the Ainslie Bullion logo at the bottom. Check out the back though, these are just cool. Now, these stacker bars are made by Scottsdale Mint in Arizona. So they became very, very famous for their stacker bars, and since they became so famous, they then started manufacturing them for other brands that requested them. And we get the 100-ounce bar, the 1 kilo bar, and the 10-ounce bar, Ainslie stackers, produced from Scottsdale, so you're getting the exact same quality. What I love is this swirl. I won't touch it, but look at that beautiful swirl right there. You can very clearly see the Scottsdale logo right there. It says made by Scottsdale Mint and the Scottsdale Lion right there, and down the bottom, even more awesome, individually serialized. So what a great bar, and you're actually getting a really good deal this week again for the whole of the 7 days. And let me tell you that premium, let me pop this back on for effect one more time. So we have our regular premium, which is, it's normally a bit higher because the wholesale cost of getting these and because of the premium look and nature of stacker bars. But for the next week, we are knocking $50 off the premium per bar. So it's not $50 off the per ounce price. So it's not $50 per ounce, it's $50 total off per bar for the next 7 days. I'll put a link below to the individual product page in the description and part of the pinned comment. And do you like these? Do you really want them? Post a comment below. Of course, hit the like button. And do you think others that you know may be interested in this special? Well, you want to share that with them, so go ahead and share it to all and sundry. And of course, if you like these specials and you want more, the first time you're seeing them, hit the big red subscribe button on YouTube and you will get one every single Wednesday. That is it. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and thanks for choosing Ainslie.